There's sea. Cebu is such a perfect place to live in. It's not too messy, unlike the big metropolitan Manila, and it's not too laid back, like the 5th and 6th class municipalities outside. Perfect place, actually. And the third district that we want to develop is what we call the SRP, which will be the Central Business District. And we envision this to be very similar to the Philinvest, what do you call that? Philinvest City in Alabang. Have you been there? Yeah. So that will be the Central Business District. Or, if you, sorry, I have to name your competitors, or it will be something very similar to the Bonifacio Global City. So this is the vision for here, the Central Business District. So we are very happy that you are already here because you will spur more growth and more economy in this area. Because people will want to come because you are here. So that's why I'm very happy and I'm very thankful to our locators who took the plunge and gambled with us to stay, to locate in a new, unfamiliar territory, should I say. Kaya, muiskot mo kung SRP, medyo dili po kayo yung mga nakadevelop. No? Just like how Philinvest took their chance on SRP to partner with Cebu City Government in the year 2008, some thereabouts. They were the first locators of SRP. They took a gamble on Cebu City Government and said, we will go there. Bisag, wa pa itaw. Bisag anino, wa pa. Samot na ang tao. They gambled and they said, we will be your partners. We will develop the SRP. And look where we are now, a few years after. Diba? Kamu, mausad mo. You are gambling with us. And rest assured that Cebu City Government is very, very business friendly, and we will support all of your endeavors. Just let us know. Kani si JP, kung kayo na kayo siya ni-approach na regarding this matter. And of course, I will still be Vice Mayor then. Of course, you know, not much could be done. No? But when I came in as acting mayor, pagkapas-pas. Look at now, we are here. He's been trying to have this launch in the past 2 years, King Ali. But it was, what he was trying to do in 2 years, we were able to do in 2 months. Can you imagine? Correct? Maginatanong nga. So off the record, sa mga vloggers most especially, kaya dito ganahan, we will see this through. No? We want to develop the SRP for businesses because we know for a fact that once we develop places and locators start coming in, it will be very good for the local economy. But that's why we try to be as business friendly as we can. So, na may mga problema si Tiol, sumbong mo na ko tayo. Parang JP ay, sumbong na siya na ko, na yung mga problema si Tiol. Right there and then, ako ginang-action na. No, because ever since I came in as mayor, I always said, public service cannot wait. Kinanglan action, action, action. And that is what I have been doing for the past 3 months. And I will be probably doing it until May and for the next 9 years. But I did not announce yet my candidacy for mayor. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata. But seriously, we really want to see a more progressive South Road properties. And that is why we will focus with our attention here. Except that, I am not in favor of holding the sinulog here. I think klaro kayo akong statement that I still want it back at the Cebu City Sports Center for various reasons. And we have had several complaints of dancers dehydrated, emergencies, hospitals, because there really are no trees here. And there really are no facilities here, not even bathrooms. Can you imagine at 8 or 6 in the morning, they line up already in this area because they wait na mo. Sayaw sila dito sa main grandstand there, no? There. I don't know what you call it, stage. No? And can you imagine you or your children early in the morning, galing yan, they cannot even see a place where they can pee, and they cannot even see a place where they can buy Jollibee. Yes. Or Chowking. Yes.
Both.
And get a good cup of coffee sa Bose. That's really nothing. It's so difficult to hold big activities here. Yes. So that's why I said, balik na dito. Nga naman, there are trees, there are different establishments, different restaurants. O kahigon mo or mga dancers, sulang restaurant, magpabugnaw, mangihi, magkaon-kaon, while waiting for them to present their show, their performance. So I look at all of these things. I really look at all of these things. That's why I already made a statement. And another thing also is I want unity. I don't want the province to fight with Cebu City to fight with the province, because we're all one. Ang Cebuano na taga Talisay, parehang dugo ninyo na taga Cebu City, taga Mandawi, taga Lapu-Lapu. Why do we have to delineate ourselves? I am a Cebuano, but I am Talisaynon. I mean, we're all Cebuanos. Diba? Manghambog mo, Cebu as the best nation. May mo, dili Cebu, Talisay. We don't do that. Because we are one proud, united Cebuanos. And that's why I want unity. That's why from the very beginning I've always been saying that under my administration, there should be diplomacy. Because diplomacy gets us where we want to be. We have to keep on fighting and fighting and fighting. Life is too short to keep on fighting. Okay? So, sorry for being very passionate, but this is how I am. This is really how I am. I love my city. I love my city very much. And the more that you come in, put in your investment, and you grow, and you profit. We profit also, the city of Cebu. You give jobs to the Cebuanos. Diba? When you open a restaurant, new employment. And then the trickle-down effect is tremendous. The person who gets employed can now feed his family, etc. The trickle-down effect is enormous and tremendous. And not only that, remember that when you open a store, you also have to get your permits and you have to pay your taxes. That's also good for us. In fact, it's very important for us that we get taxes from you. That's additional revenue for the city to fix your roads, to alleviate traffic, many problems, even the baha. Naging problema. Pero 3 months pa kita ko, no? So dito ako I'm not Superman. I hope I was Jollibee so I can solve all problems, but I cannot. No, I need more time. I need a lot of time. But at least we're moving towards the right direction of doing something for our city. Okay, so as you grow, we grow too. And then, I will end with a story. Once upon a time, one day, it's a story of an old man and a young boy. And I've been harping on this story several times, especially when I am with the audience's thank you. So one day there was an old man and a young boy. And the young boy was on the beach front. And from a distance, the old man could see the young boy pick up something on the beach and throw it back to the ocean. Pick it up again, something, and then throw it back to the ocean. So the old man approached the boy and said, "Boy, what are you doing?" So the boy said, "Muhunas na, it's mag-low tide na, and the sun is coming out. So I'm picking the starfish and throwing it back to the ocean, because if the sun hits the starfish, it automatically dies. So I'm saving the life of the starfish." So the man laughed and said, "There are miles and miles of beachfront and thousands upon starfishes. Boy, will what you are doing even matter?" And the boy said, picked up the starfish, threw it back to the ocean and said, "Yes, it mattered to that starfish that I threw back in the water, because it meant his life or death." So what is the moral story, the moral lesson of the story? Very simple. You don't have to be a hero. In order to be a hero, you don't have to help 1 million people, 100,000 people, or 10 people. No. All you need to do is just help one person, and it will already make a difference in his life. Just like how that boy picked up one starfish, threw it back to the ocean, and it meant the life and death of that individual. In your everyday life, it is also like that. You have the opportunity to help somebody, whether it be your employee, no? Or it be somebody in need, it be a relative or a cousin or whatever it is. Try to help. Pero ayaw siya paabusuhan yung mahal. Try to help. Because who knows, it might mean his or her life or death. So friends, ladies and gentlemen, join me. Join your Cebu City government. Let's all pick up our starfishes, throw it back to the ocean, and make a difference in the lives of the people we serve. Daghang salamat po.